Hi guys, so this session, I'm going to tell you how to draft a lehenga, like a paneled skirt in CLO 3D. And we are going to begin with making a belt for the lehenga. So I'm going to take the width approximately 24 inches and the height of the belt is not going to be any wider than an inch. Okay, so I have this belt. I am going to turn on these arrangement points. We're going to arrange it here. Going to put the sewing lines and we're going to stitch the ends of the belt together. I'm using segment sewing tool for this and spacebar to simulate. Okay, the belt done. I'm going to press spacebar again to stop simulation and we're going to freeze this. Control K, freeze. Next, I really feel I should edit the avatar pose to adjust my gullies. So I'll just change the pose very quickly. Cool. Now let's start making the panels. It's going to be very easy. You just need to take the rectangle tool, click, leave the click. I'm going to put for now the width of the panel, say 25. I'm going to alter this, don't worry. And the height is going to be 40 inches. So this is how I've drafted a gully panel already in Photoshop with these measurements. So this is why I am going to make a rectangle of this size and I'm going to insert graphics. So I go to material, graphic, 2D pattern, and I've already saved the gully that I've drafted. I've designed in Photoshop and I'm going to open it here. In case you want to know how this can be done, you can do it in CorelDRAW, you can do it in Adobe Illustrator, you can create the motifs yourselves and arrange it, or you can also edit it in Photoshop. So either ways, you can do it. And this looks good enough to fit my panel. Okay, so now we're going to use the edit pattern fill to, you know, um, adjust the pattern according to the gully. So edit pattern tool. So yeah, in case you want to know how to draft this, it's going to be in my next video. I should have been putting that first, but I couldn't manage to make a video for this before. So yeah. And we are almost there. I've edited the points. This looks okay. Once you're done, you are going to sew it. I'm really going to make it narrow from here. That's how I like it to be. Right click, I want to change the length and I want it to be exactly 2 from both sides. Okay, done. So I have one of my gullies already ready with me, which is looking great. And we can start from anywhere. You want to start from the center, you want to start from the side. We'll simply take our free sewing tool and we're going to click here and then click here. Then I'm going to start from here, this to this. Before you simulate, you have to make sure you arrange the gully very close, or whatever patterns you try to simulate, you should always arrange them very close to the pattern or the area we are going to simulate it or the pattern that you're going to stitch it to. So yeah, it's here at the back, center back, and I'm going to press spacebar. First done. I'll quickly Control C, Control V. We're going to keep pasting this and we're going to keep stitching them together and with the belt. So take segment sewing tool to stitch these two together and free sewing tool to stitch it to the belt. Spacebar again. Oh, this looks amazing already. Control V. This is probably one of the easiest patterns to make in CLO 3D. Control V again. There, put it here. Where is it in my 3D? Right click, zoom extends all. Here it is. So again, segment swing tool to stitch it together, and free swing tool to stitch it to the belt. Just have to make sure that you are stitching it adjacent to each other at the belt. I'll just place them so I'm able to put this sewing correctly. Okay, one more pasted. Segment stitch to stitch the tool together. Free sewing tool to stitch it to the belt. Bring it closer to where you want to simulate it, and you'll be done. Come on, come on. Now, I'm going to copy all 4 of them. Control C, Control V here. Let me arrange it. Yes. Okay, segment swing tool to stitch this to this. And I'm going to use MS2 and free swing because these 4 segments of the 4 gullies are going to be separate. MS2 N, so yeah, beginning from this point. Click, 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 click. One set of segments is done, we'll press enter. Then the belt area, so this to this, and enter again. Let me move them closer to the body of the avatar. And spacebar. You can make it more flared. I just kept it a little less because I wanted to make this video, and if the flare is way too much, the drafts are very big, it takes time to simulate and flow crashes. So I didn't want that to happen. I just wanted the video to be smooth. Cool. And we need, I guess, I'll copy just one more time and we'll be good to go. So this has 12 banners. Very obviously because the belt width was 24 and the each gully that we've taken has a width at waist which is 2 inches. So yeah, 24 divided by 2 is going to give us 12. So it's a 12 paneled lehenga. Not very flary, but yeah, again, because I wanted my video to be very smooth. Okay, so let's put the segment stitches here. I'm not able to get it. Just fold it in the ends on the inside. Okay, this. I'll have to reverse this because I can clearly see. Oh, yeah, it started crashing. Edit swing tool. I'll just reverse the swing. Yeah, okay, great. And the other side also, we need to do the segment swing here as well. Press the space bar. Let me stop it. Control Z. Okay. segment sewing, and we're going to switch this corner one to this one. I'll quickly freeze all these. Control K, and then spacebar. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, and let's put them with the belt. Okay, MS2 and swing, and we're supposed to start from this one. Click, 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 click. So this is done. Press enter, and at the belt, this to this. Enter again. And the lines are parallel. We're good to go. We'll simulate this, and we're done with the Lehenga. And I'll unfreeze all this. Control A, Control K. Now, this is what usually happens when you have gullies and a lot of panels and you try to simulate, it gets heavier on the belt, and the belt it automatically starts drifting away from the waistline. So in this case, what you can do is, let me just show you a very quick trick to solve this. You're going to go to your basic circumference measure tool, and you're going to measure the avatar at the waist. I'm going to click, click, and click. So we have the waist measured, and then we're going to take attach to measure tool, click on the top of the belt, and we basically need to attach this part of our pattern to this part of the body. So you're going to click on the circumference thing and then press spacebar. You see? So even when you do the animation, this is not going to fall if you use this tool. Then again, if you want to strengthen the gullies, you can strengthen them. Control A, I'm going to right click, I'm going to strengthen all of it. I think it was better that way. So it's up to you. If you want it to be more flary and cankinish, this is going to be the thing. Or if you want it to be like lightweighted or something, so you can avoid strengthening it. Before I wind this up, I'll also put the graphic inside my belt, or we can simply make it the same color of the belt. Fabric 1, I'll color it maroon from our property editor. Eyedropper, exactly this. Okay, spacebar again. Let me unstrengthen the belt. So yeah, this is how your lehenga looks like. Don't forget to like the video, and you can always share. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in comments if you want me to make a video for something else too. Bye guys, see you in my next video.